Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
This week, India's R value for COVID, which is an indicator of how fast the infection is spreading, has decreased further to 0.83 from 0.89 last week. The state of Kerala, which currently has the highest share of active cases, has also seen a dip in its R to 0.87 this week from 0.93 last week. R, or effective reproduction number, is the measure of the average number of people who are likely to catch the infection from one sick person. So R needs to be sustained below 1 for the epidemic to come to an end. After a brief rise to over 1 3 weeks back, the R value in India fell to 0.92 2 weeks ago. Last week, R for India has reduced further to 0.89. According to Sitabra Sinha, a researcher at the Institute of Mathematical Sciences in Chennai, who has been tracking R values since the beginning of this pandemic, the slight improvement in the R value for India is very likely because of the better situation in Kerala, which has further reduced its R after going below 1 last week. Moreover, none of the top states currently have R more than 1. Among the states with the highest number of active cases, West Bengal has the highest R value of 0.96, which has remained the same throughout the month of August. The R for Assam, meanwhile, has increased to 0.95 this week from last week's 0.84. Telangana, where R was 0.85 last week, is another state that has seen it rise to 0.91 this week. Similarly, Meghalaya saw R increase to 0.84 this week from 0.79 last week. Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu, the only state which had R at 1 last week, saw a decline in its R to 0.94 this week. All other states with high active cases saw a decline in their R values. However, Sinha warns that things are not so rosy for the major metro cities. Kolkata, for example, still has R over 1, although the value has decreased slightly to 1.05 this week from last week's 1.08. At the same time, Mumbai seems to have breached the threshold of 1, although Sinha said that he was not able to get an accurate estimate for the city for this week. The value for Mumbai was 0.7 around 18 August, which increased to 0.95 on 20th August. The R value for Chennai is fluctuating around 1. Now, it must be noted here that these R figures are calculated based on the active case numbers till August 24. Over the last couple of days, the active case numbers in Kerala has been increasing, but we may still need to monitor the situation for a few more days to see if this is a sustained trend. The surge in Kerala has likewise led to an increase in India's overall case numbers. But R is a dynamic metric that we will continue to track as it changes every week, so do watch out for the next R update to see if the current rise is just an anomaly or if it turns into the next wave. This is Mohana Basu, special correspondent at The Print. If you like our videos, do consider paying for a subscription to The Print. You can do so through the link in the description box below.